What's up, everybody? So today I am filming in my living room, and there's a reason for that, and that is because my room is
disgusting.
So I brought all my stuff back from college, and I haven't unpacked any of it. Like, I just had suitcases that are just halfway open, halfway just scattered on the floor. All of my shoes are everywhere. There's just trash in the floor. I haven't done anything except set the animals up. That was the only thing I did when I got back. And everything else is just gone to hell very fast. We had like smoke damage in our house or something, and the insurance is paying for somebody to come clean the walls. I don't know. But anyway, I have to have my room clean so that they can get into my room to clean it. I have to clean my room for the cleaning people. Morgan is on her way over here now to assist / maybe just record me doing all of the work. I'm waiting for her to come now, and when she gets here, we're gonna start the cleaning. Say hi.
Hey.
Morgan just got here. We're wearing the same shirt. I put on this shirt after my shower because I knew in my heart that she would have this shirt on today, and I was right, and I am so glad when she walked through those doors, I saw she was wearing this shirt, and I was like,
Yep.
I knew it.
We got telepathy. We always have.
All right, we're gonna show you what we're working with. I guess. Why am I filming like this?
I don't even know what we're working with yet, but knowing Kendall is not good.
It's gonna be bad. So we're gonna go show you what's going on, I guess. I'm just gonna let you know now, if you're here for quality lighting or quality camera angles, you're not gonna get that in this video, and that's all I have to say about that. Hey, this isn't my room. This is my brother's old room, but this is just the start of where my mess begins because there wasn't enough room in my room for all of the stuff that I have. So we have a lot of stuff in here too that has to go somewhere. But I wanted to start here because I'm not prepared to actually show what my room really looks like. All right, let's go check out the other room. I feel like I'm on like, welcome to my crib.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, it's so bad. It's probably been worse than this, and that's what's sad.
It's definitely been worse than this. The closet's pretty empty.
Yeah, the only thing I've done is fill up this with clothes I'm getting rid of. I started that the other day because I thought I was gonna actually do this like a week ago, and I didn't. Also, there's guitars in here that aren't mine. I don't know, like, my family just shoves stuff into my room that isn't mine because I'm not here. So they're just like, yeah, sure, we'll just put this in here. What is this? I have a dirty clothes hamper full of things that I think are from last summer because they're all like bathing suits and like crop tops. So that means that these clothes have been sitting here for a year and I haven't done anything with them. So, yeah, that's fun. I just found this Sprite on the floor. Oh, it's still fizzy, so it must be good. No. I mean, there's nothing really that exciting. There's some fries. Ooh, you know, some fries.
Okay, you can close them.
I smelled them. I didn't want to smell them. I shouldn't have smelled them. Look, these boxes are taking up the whole bag, so it makes
We'll
it
break
look...
them down.
I don't feel like it. I don't... This whole video is just me being annoyed at myself.
Going to seek another trash thing. Or not trash. Another laundry thing. I knew you were going to do that. I knew it. I said, when you started tilting that thing, I said, Kendall is going to put that thing on her head.
What are you doing to me? I thought you'd run further. I couldn't see you. I hit you pretty hard. I think I just got another concussion. My brain is jiggling.
Kendall.
Look, okay. This right here is a thing. I don't even know what's in here, but nothing in here could be useful. This is a tie I wore for Nerd Day in the 6th grade. It's fucking disgusting.
I was about to say, it's very stained.
This is... What?
That's a whip.
I know what you're thinking. I bought this when I was probably 12 at the gift shop of a hotel. Me and Samantha bought these. We were staying in this weird place in the mountains with my mom. It was the most disgusting place I've ever been in my life. But they sold these whips in the gift shop for $5. Me and Samantha each bought a whip and then just like went around the whole place. It was like just whipping everything. Maybe it's time to finally throw the whip away.
At least you'll have this video to always remember it.
Always remember this whip. I remember this sock.
I remember that sock too.
We made some progress.
You can see the floor.
I also have on shark pants. And they're pretty awesome, so we're gonna wear these for the rest of the video on. Really the only thing I have to do is put away all of the clothes and all of the shoes and wash all of the clothes and then clean off this entire thing and then pack stuff into boxes and then we're done.
Should take no more than 3 hours.
Oh god. This is my book bag
from
high school. Oh, this is the recommendation that Miss Six wrote me.
Oh.
Let me read it. Why'd she give it to me? Is she supposed to do that?
I don't think so.
A strong student, a leader, and a role model for her peers. Let's just read this out loud and see if this sounds like me. Kendall is an exceptional student who thrives in challenging environments. Her commitment to the betterment of society is evident in all of her endeavors. I'm literally crying. This is the funniest thing I've ever read in my life. Wow, Miss Six really came through. This sun is blinding me. Is the lighting at least good? It's too much. Why is there a knife up here?
Oh my god.
Things like this I have a hard time getting rid of.
Me too.
All around stunts.
Aww.
I love looking at my high school accomplishments and realizing I haven't accomplished anything since. I have to sneeze.
I thought you said I have cis knees.
That too. I keep boxes.
Yep. I have every iPhone box I've ever gotten.
Pretty sure I do too. Oh my god. This is an iPhone 4 box. I got this in the 9th grade. How many years ago was that? Like 7?
Yeah. Oh my god.
No. If you don't know what this is, then you're just not gonna know what this is. I mean, you might think you know what it is, but you probably don't know why I have this mask. But if you know, you know, right?
Good memories.
Oh my god, I cannot believe I still have this thing. I look so terrible with this on. Well, let's continue. A Taylor Swift CD with the packaging still on it.
Oh my god.
I'll take the snout off now. There's so much stuff over here.
You're almost done.
No, you don't see half of it. Alright, I'm gonna finish this. Alright, so it's gotten awful. I didn't know how much stuff was over here on this shelf. And I'm still not even, I've gotten everything off of it, but it's still dirty and I need to clean it.
If I can even get over here.
Look at,
it's empty now.
It's got actual animal feces on it. I don't even know what animal.
And then we've got the floor that was clean. Got some extra trash bags.
We've got a whole another bag of trash. And there's still more trash over here, and there's more trash on the floor. I don't even know what to do with all of this stuff. But that's where we're at, and also I'm done for right now. I need a break. So I guess we'll do something else and give another update soon, but I don't know when that'll be, so. We took a break to get McDonald's and watch The Lion King, and now I
Jeopardy.
Oh, we did watch Jeopardy too. And I have never been less motivated. What are you doing?
Suffocating.
Okay, so we gotta go on over here. I don't think there's that much stuff. These are the umbrellas that I ordered for lighting, which, speaking of that, this lighting is probably terrible, but if you think I'm setting up a ring light in this mess, you're dead wrong. Whoa.
Wow.
I should use these.
Yeah.
Not right now, though. I have so many bows. This is all the bows I have in here, plus I still have some up there.
The lighting, it sucks balls, Kendall.
How bad?
It sucks balls.
This is the heaviest trash bag. I just Oh no, there's something sharp in there, and it just got my Achilles. Ow. That hurts so bad. Like, so bad.
She tripped over it on the way over there.
I'm just trying to fix the lighting, okay? And this is not. Is this helping? Is this making it worse?
50-50. Yeah, that's better. Maybe try to put it up on the metals.
Up here?
Yeah.
We're really. I'm a YouTuber. I'm professional. Does that look better?
Yes.
Oh wow. I'm a professional YouTuber. Who knew? I'm just getting rid of everything cheerleading related because I'm an old lady. I'm just gonna like put my hair in a bow.
Okay. Looks really good.
Does it?
I was just about to say to pull a heel stretch.
Give me a cheer.
Tighten up. Raiders get tough.
What was that one?
Now. Cross.
Tighten up. Raiders get tough. I don't like that one. Give me another one.
I was thinking victory, go red, go
Wait, what's
white.
that one? Victory, go red, go white. Victory, go Raiders. What you doing?
Just hanging out.
With some knives.
Alright, so so the floor is clean, but
Pretty much,
it's
yeah.
fake.
Oh, this is another cheerleading. This needs to go with the cheerleading stuff too.
And onyx ears.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna show them the pile of cheerleading stuff.
Alright.
This is the pile so far of the cheerleading stuff that I have to put away because I have so much stuff and I still have to get all the medals down. But I think that's most of it. So,
ta-da.
here's a bunch of stuff.
We've got a lot of trash so far.
Almost everything of that is trash.
Except for this
Except
bag.
for the dirty clothes right there. I don't even know where to begin. First of all, this entire thing of nail polish is like 15 years old and all of it is disgusting. So,
Gotta go. It's so cute.
what is this?
Ooh.
It's kind of fun. But what would I do with this? It's so dusty.
Fill it with liquor.
With what?
Liquor.
Liquor?
Liquor.
You mean to walk around a party?
Yes.
Put a little cork back in?
Yes.
Life is too short to wear boring clothes.
Oh my god.
Whose sunglasses are these? These are not mine. Oh my god, my old keychain with 8,600.
Aww.
I'm just throwing this whole thing away. Like, the Hufflepuff keychain's kind of dope, though. I kind of want that one. Did I tell you I took the quiz again the other day and it said I was a Slytherin? I don't know what that means. Because my whole life has been based on the fact that I'm a Hufflepuff and it said I was a Slytherin. I'm having a what is it called?
A midlife crisis.
Not a midlife crisis, an what is it? What do they call it? Existential crisis?
Existential.
Yeah, there you go. There's a thing of fruit snacks. There's still fruit snacks in it. Why?
Train.
This is what goes to go on my pants. Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, yes. What a look.
Oh, I have problems. Okay. I'm gonna put my makeup up here and organize that and then get this straight. And then after that, like, there's not much left other than the clothes and I'll probably just put that off for the rest of my life, so. Alright. So we've got some stuff done. Morgan hung up the clothes. We just have shoes. I have clothes that I need to put in the dresser. This is basically, I mean, this is all cleaned off. This is organized. And this is, like, all this is done. I gotta figure out places for just, like, the stuff on the floor. And there's still stuff on the bed. But, like, other than that, we're doing pretty good.
We're 8 hours in.
literally 8 hours in, and I have lost my mind already. But I'm trying to finish this. I have to finish this tonight. I don't have a choice. And the only other thing we can't do is we can't hang anything up yet because they're coming to clean the walls. So, and this is probably going to be the last update that I do. And then we're just going to come back and the room is just going to be clean because I'm just trying to get it done at this point because I'm done. Hold it, honey. Whoa. We're done. I mean, it's not perfect. I did get a little lazy near the end and just shove a bunch of stuff in a bin and put it over there. But to be fair, I don't have anything to do. Like, I need more bins. I need other stuff. Like, I don't have curtains yet. I can't hang anything on the wall yet. But, like, overall, it's pretty good. We got, like, that shelf over there was covered in stuff. And now it's, like, completely empty. But there's some stuff down there that will go up there eventually. I didn't touch any of the animals' cages. But I got all their stuff organized. Got clothes in here, I've got clothes in there. Look at this, okay? Little makeup organization station. I don't know what I'm doing with everything up here, but I just threw it up there because I don't know what we're doing with it yet. We got the closet. Morgan did the entire closet.
This is where the magic happens. There's floor. I haven't seen that floor in probably 4 years.
I know, this is crazy right here. But yeah, we got I still haven't washed any of my clothes. I've washed one load, but I haven't folded them, and I'm not worried about that yet. That's for another day. That's basically it. My room is not that big. The bed, we flipped the comforter over because it was stained, so now it looks beautiful. That's it, I guess. We have spent, what time is it? How many hours have we spent doing this?
9.
9 hours.
We did take some breaks,
but a lot of that was just cleaning because that's how much stuff was in here. I wish we should have taken a video or a picture even of all of the trash that we took out of here. But there's so much trash. 2 more
full trash bags.
So much stuff. Maybe I was gonna do I'll update it when I finish, but I'm not gonna do that. This is it. I don't think this is very anticlimactic. It looks clean, but it looks like what any person's room should look like. It's not impressive.
But it's never what Kendall's room looks like, so no. It's really good. It's really, really good.
I'm so tired. I'm sweaty. I'm exhausted. I guess I should do an outro. Alright, well, I hope this was enjoyable to watch. I don't know if it will be. I hope so.
It wasn't enjoyable to do.
It wasn't, so...
Laugh at our pain.
Like this video if you enjoyed our pain. Subscribe for more quality content like this. And I guess that's it.
Peace out, Girl Scout.